Aside from location, one of the strengths, ano pa yung masasabi natin advantage niya among other developers?
Okay, so additional advantage of a Claremont. Basically, Claremont kasi is a 52 hectares development by Philippines
malaki
land.
din.
Okay?
Yep.
So we have here 6 spaces.
Oo.
But the good thing about that 6 spaces is meron tayong mga amenity area on the phases. Okay? Meron lang tayong shared amenity on the phase 1 and 2 because ang laki naman nung nilagay nating
Correct.
swimming pool doon, which is
Correct.
the Olympic size. But on the phase 3, phase 4, and phase 5, and phase 6, meron tayong mga amenity doon. Standard amenity, we have the swimming pool, the clubhouse, the kiddie pool, the basketball court. Ayan, yung standard natin. Okay?
Oh.
That's the good thing about Philinvest Development. Hindi tayo nagtitipid when it comes to the amenities for our future clients.
Oh, which is yun nga, if you're resident with the let's say a certain phase dito, no, you could really enjoy the exclusivity,
Yes,
no.
that's
And
the
then,
right term.
yun nga, actually yung kaninang client natin, he was asking if dun sa phase 1 ba pwede bang mag-swimming doon kasi it's already operational, no. Pwede naman, di ba, sir?
Yes, oo.
It's just that magre-request lang.
Yes, oo.
Subject for request.
Subject for approval by the village admin natin, manager
Okay.
natin.
Yun. Yung sa mga amenity, very premium amenities ni Claremont.
Claremont, yes.